So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Here is the backside of 600-watt solar panels for our uh, cargo camp trailer conversion. So on one of our last trips with the trailer, we had a bit of a snafu here with our wiring. And what happened was that this piece here broke off from inside of the connector there. So I've been putting this off for weeks now, and today is the day where I'm gonna go ahead and finally fix this thing. We plan on taking the trailer out in the next couple of weeks, and I just figured I'll knock this out while I have some free time. Plus, I have to get this over to the storage so we can charge up the battery for the trailer, because it is low. I think the last time I checked it, it was right around 11.9 volts or so. So it does need to be topped up. And I just figured I'll fix this and then go ahead and get the battery charged. So stick around and we'll see how we go about fixing this guy. All right, guys, so we've since gone ahead and relocated things over to our workbench. We're gonna go ahead and try and get this guy apart and see what we got. So after a little persuasion, we were able to get our connector out. Here it is. This is the end that we're after. All right, guys, so we're back several days later. Our parts came in. I already took the liberty of opening up everything. And it's a nice kit. Now, aside from all these big bulky things here, we're not actually gonna be in need of those. These are the actual items that we needed. We only needed one of these to replace the one that's broken. What we're gonna do is look these over to see what it will take to get everything crimped in place, and we'll take it from there. All right, we're gonna scoop these guys out of the way. All right, so here we have this little tool that my wife bought me a few months ago. I think she bought this for me for either Christmas or my birthday. Can't remember, but we're backing this guy out because it has a cutting tool that I really have grown to love. If you guys can see that right there, I'm gonna use that. I'm not gonna take off too much. We just wanna get off just enough to give us enough wiring to work with there. I think that should be plenty. So what I did was just shove the wire into this connector, and now I'm gonna shove it back into its home here. So after a little bit of persuasion, I was able to get the prong back in there. I'd still like to see it up a bit further so it matches the one on the left, but nonetheless, this will work. And now we're just gonna take the side that plugs into our trailer. It's plugged into the solar charge controller on the trailer. And then this part right here completes the circuit going from the solar panels to the charge controller. Like so. Tomorrow we'll go and test things out with the trailer itself. So we've just arrived to our storage here. I'm gonna go check on my wife's cargo trailer. There she is. There's Daisy. Turn around, back in here. Some of the rigs that belong to our neighbors here. Once or twice a month, I like to come and do a spot check. I'm gonna look at the condition of the trailer, see if anything is in need of attention. Make sure all my doors are locked, windows, obviously. Make sure our tires aren't flat. Making sure the back is secure. And then just giving it a quick visual once over. And come in here and we once again want to check and ensure that our tires aren't flat. Ensure our AC unit is in good shape. But more importantly, we want to make sure that nothing's been tampered with, mainly our security mechanisms. Everything's locked. The only thing that's not locked on this trailer is this. This gives us our readouts for our battery voltage. So we're right at 12 volts, not too bad, but we want to see that a little bit higher. So we're going to go ahead and break out our solar panels so we can get this charged up. So as you can see, guys, today we're at the storage facility where we keep my wife's 6x10 cargo trailer whenever it's not in use. However, today we just stopped by again just to do a few visual checks just to make sure everything's on the up and up. And right now we're currently charging up our battery system, so that way the next time we're ready to take the trailer out, the battery's ready to go. It's been a little over a month since the last time we've taken the trailer out, just due to our work schedule, mainly my work schedule. For the last 6.5 to 7 weeks, I've been covering the WSOP. It was fun. I was even able to fist pump with the likes of James Woods. So I'm on vacation, so to speak, a 3-week little hiatus. This is week number 2. So I just figured I'd give you guys something, give you a little bit of an update as to what's been going on. Also, a lot of new things are coming with the truck. Like I mentioned, we're going to be overhauling the suspension, a few other tidbits that I'm going to be doing on the R50 as well. Yeah, look at how much this thing has charged since we've been here. We've been here a mere 10 minutes, and we're already at 12.5, 12.6 volts and climbing. It's awesome. I have things to do, fix, upgrade, and repair on Camper Dan. This R50 is a work in progress, and again, I'm just taking my time and enjoying it. Shout out again to all of our latest viewers. We are now 151 strong as of this morning, and I'm very excited and delighted to have you guys along for this journey and this experience. We're looking to take this truck to the next level. Same, guys. So as I was just walking around the R50 and running my mouth, look at how much higher our charge rate has gotten. We were just at 12.5, I believe, or 12.6. Then we jumped to 12.7, now 12.8, and it looks like we're almost at 13 volts. And we've been here for a whopping 20 minutes, almost. So this thing doesn't take very long to charge. Again, these solar panels produce approximately 600 watts. In the future, I plan on giving you guys an official walkthrough video on this 6x10 cargo trailer camp conversion. I plan on taking it out here in the coming days, and I'll give you guys a good walkthrough of everything, and I'll show you the inside, show you how everything works, how it's set up, and how it's utilized when we're camping. All right, guys, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it. It doesn't look like our battery is willing to accept any more of a charge right now. Looks like we're consistently around the 12.7, 12.8 range. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the plug. We'll pack up our gear, and we're gonna head out of here. All right, so we have everything re-secured, and we have all of our various gear and items packed up. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Once again, my name is Chris. Thanks for stopping by the Camper Dan Files, and until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on and off the page.